The body of an unidentified woman was found in Moneague St Ann on Friday morning. A police source told Observer Online that residents alerted lawmen when they stumbled upon the body. Lawmen said when they arrived on the scene, the deceased was found with her head bashed in. The body was sporting a red shoe but was partially naked. More details to come. A 63-year-old woman was one of two persons shot dead during an attack by gunmen at Bobman Hill in Lilliput, St. James on Thursday afternoon. She has been identified as Vernice Blackwood, otherwise called Miss Vern, a dressmaker from Bobman. She was killed along with Mario Broomfield, 28, said to be a music producer from Randall Hill in Lilliput. It was reported that residents reported hearing loud explosions sounding like gunshots and summoned the police. On arrival of the lawmen, Blackwood was seen lying motionless on his side in a pool of blood on a side veranda with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the upper body. Broomfield was seen lying motionless on his back in a pool of blood at the back of the house next to the perimeter fencing with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. The two were taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where they were pronounced dead. While processing the murder scene, police found 9 5.6 spent casings used in M6 rifles and 3mm spent casings. No motive has been established for the attack, the police said. Two men were shot dead by gunmen at Cornwall Earth Fort in Wintown, Westmoreland on Thursday night. They have been identified as 22-year-old Emron Anson and 38-year-old Brian Tullo, both residents of the community. It was reported that around 8:30 p.m., Anson was sitting at the front of a yard, awaiting his girlfriend while Tullo was in a room to the back of the house. While there, residents heard several loud explosions and later realized that both men were suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The residents summoned the police and assisted the men to the hospital, where they were pronounced dead on arrival. The police later found several spent casings while processing the scene. No motive has yet been established for the killing.